How to add text in CapCut, just like the one here, here or here. To add text in CapCut, first of all make sure that no video clip is selected. After that, in the toolbar at the bottom, tap on text. And then simply tap on add text. You can then type in your text. If you would like to change the style of the text, tap on style. If you would like to move the text to a different location, you can simply tap and hold on the text and then drag it to the desired position. Once you're satisfied with the text, tap on the tick icon. Under your video clip, you will then see a text sequence that contains your text. Use the right handles to adjust the duration of the text. Now if you would like to add more text, make sure to move the playhead to the position where you would like to add the next text. And type in the new text. For this one I will tap on style because I would like to change the color because it's barely visible. So I tap on style and I just choose one of these predefined text styles here. That's about right, so I'll tap on the tick icon to confirm. Now again I use the right handles to adjust the text duration. And this is how you add text on CapCut. If you want to add a lot of text to your video, instead of having to tap a million times on add text, here's a little hack for you. Let me just quickly delete the 2 text fragments that we have created so far. Now I go to the very beginning of the video and I tap on add text once. Now I enter my first text and then tap on the tick icon to confirm. Now I tap and hold on the right handle and then drag it all the way to the end of the video. Of course I don't want to have the very same text spread out over the whole video. So now what you can do is to move the playhead to the position where you would like to add the next text. And then in the toolbar at the bottom simply tap on split. And this will split your text sequence in half, and you can now simply tap on the text box above and enter the second text. Tap on the tick icon to confirm. Now move the playhead to the next position where you would like to add some new text. Tap on the text box above and enter the new text. And confirm. You can repeat these steps now as many times as you want, and this is a much faster way to add text on CapCut. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also make sure to watch the next video on my channel where I will go in depth about how to blur stuff in CapCut.